All right, so what we're gonna do is, this is my first time trying to smooth out a finger hole. So when I got this ball back from the pro shop a few months back, this insert was sticking out and I didn't like it. So what I did is I cut it down with a razor blade, and so I sprayed the razor with ball cleaner and just kind of cut it, and it looks really ugly like this, right? And so I watched a video on YouTube of using acetone to smooth this out, and we're gonna see exactly how well that works. Okay, so I'm doing this outside just because this stuff is extremely flammable and vapors may cause flash fires or ignite explosively, vapor harmful. So if you do this, do it outside. Also, good idea to wear nitrile gloves. If they're rubber gloves, they could melt, the acetone could melt, so make sure you use nitrile. And we're gonna see how well this thing works, all right? So you're supposed to just dab this on here, and it dries pretty quick, so we got to get it on there and just rub it. Let's see here. Let's see how well this thing works, huh? Wow, it is actually smoothing it out. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's supposed to make it look brand new. So if you're cutting inserts and they're looking like crap like mine just were, a little bit of acetone just kind of melts it away and smooths it out. Who would have thought? Damn, that's actually pretty amazing. Huh. It's already getting better. Look at that. Do a little bit more. I'm gonna say you have to kind of keep applying it because it does dry pretty quick. And the inside, you can see it actually coming off too. Damn. That is so cool. That is so cool. Damn. I'd say that looks pretty good. Maybe a little dab more. Razor blade kind of made it jaggedy on that side. Holy moly. Look at that. Wow. That's amazing. So it does work. So now my theorem looks good, and then the finger hole is flush. Look at that. Oh, perfect. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do that on all my balls. Let's see. Cool. All right, so acetone and a rag, gloves, and also I'm wearing safety goggles. You don't want any of that stuff splashing up in your eyeball. That would be a bad thing. All right, I hope this helps somebody that doesn't like raggedy ass looking inserts. Cool.